Welcome back guys. This video I'm going to show you delete chats on Messenger. You can follow these guide easily delete them. Let's jump right in. First thing first, unlock your phone, open the Messenger application. Make sure to you can use the latest version of the app. After that, go to the chat tab at the very bottom left corner. Here you can see all of the chat conversation listed there. Find the exact chat if you want to remove. For example, I am this chat, delete it. So tap on hold it. From the pop-up menu appear, you can see various options. Look for the delete button at the very bottom. Simply tap on it once, then confirm by tap again, and you have successfully deleted the chat conversation there. However, if you decide to delete another chat conversation, don't worry. This is the same method. To do it, simply find the chat if you want to delete, tap on hold it, click on delete button, then confirm by tap delete again, and you have successfully deleted them. Thanks for watching. Hope this guide will help you. Consider to subscribing my channel.